Hey everyone, Mike from Lionwise here. We're knee deep in January, or should I say Veganuary. I'm going to make for you guys a favorite of mine, vegan waffles. Super simple and delicious and really doesn't require any crazy ingredients. So let's dive in. So what I've got here to start off with, I've got about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and I'm gonna mix in about 1 tablespoon of flax meal. That's gonna create a flax egg. And what we're gonna do is just stir this up and let that sit just for like a minute or so, a couple of minutes, 4 or 5. We're gonna set that aside while that does its thing. And I've got this big old measuring cup right here. This is our oat milk. Now you can use any non-dairy milk you'd prefer. The wife and I prefer to use oat milk, so it's just a preference thing. And in here, we're going to add a couple more ounces of some vegetable oil. Then we're gonna add in about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, about 2 tablespoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and about 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then to top it all off, we're going to throw in a cup of flour. And then we're gonna mix this bad boy. Now at this point, we're gonna check our flax egg, and you can see it is starting to get kind of gooey looking. We're gonna go ahead and toss that guy right in there. That's how we know it's about ready. And we're gonna mix this guy up in here just a bit more. Again, this is gonna act as our binder. This is what's going to keep everything nice and contained. Now that we've got that all said and done, we are going to bring in the waffle maker. So our waffle iron is preheated. What we're going to do is open this guy up and just put a little bit of vegetable spray on here. Now what's great is this doesn't take long at this point. We're gonna add some of our batter on here, and this makes usually about 2 to 3 waffles per serving. So what's great about these waffles is that you can make them as you see fit. If you want them to be gluten-free, you can use a gluten-free flour. If you wanted to use a different kind of non-dairy milk, you can definitely do that. I've actually found using almond milk makes them a bit lighter and a bit more crispy than using them with oat milk. They tend to come out a little more cakey, which is how my wife and I love them. I'm gonna make as many outtakes as possible so my wife can laugh at me. So that sound is the sound of our waffles being completely done. And we're gonna lift this up and you're gonna look at that oh so toasty goodness. And now that we've got that done, we're going to slide that out of the way and throw that guy down. And there you have it, folks. Delicious waffle. My favorite way to finish these waffles off is just with some good old syrup. And just to throw that on top like so. Oh yeah, I like a lot. And we're just gonna chop these guys up and boom, look at that. Nice and crispy. Done on the inside, beautiful. Yeah, I mean, you can't go wrong with this. So guys, this concludes the vegan waffle recipe. It's a pretty fun one to make. It's pretty easy to do as well, and you can do it at home. Again, my name is Mike from Lionwise. Happy Veganuary. So good.